Hey guys, this is part 3. Alright, we're right here now. Keep cutting it. Like I said, not the best cam ever. It's not the best. I don't know if I said that yet, but still, not the best camera. And scissors, not the best scissors either. It should look like this. Now, put it right here, like that. Okay. Put it right there. Okay, that's a little better. See? Now that's slide. Okay. Now let's make the mag. Put that aside. Teach you guys. I mean the handle, not the mag. Okay, cut a little piece of paper that you cut before. No, not little. Cut it in half. Sorry guys. It's my first video. I mean first tutorial, so yeah. Okay. Take 1/2 and roll it up. Roll it up. Make it pretty much in the middle, medium, not that big, not that small, and just fold it and cut this much of it, and then cut the other side a little too. Okay, now some tape to tape it right there. Now it's taped. Now you guys need to tape it from the inside. See that thing right there? Yeah, tape it from the inside. Okay. See what I do. I like